Who wants to see some shoes? All right, y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I have a sinus infection. I'm trying to get over being sick. So you might hear my voice being a little wacky on some of my videos. Next to this one or before this one or after this one, because I've been really sick. Not COVID, I got tested, not influenza, not RSV, none of that stuff. So I am very tired, and at least I have a voice, right? Right. So today I am very excited to have a ThredUp shoe unboxing. The first one I've had for, I don't even know how many months, guys. It's been a while. So I was excited because I came home from running a bunch of errands that I had to do today, and this girl was on my porch. Let's get into it. I'm pretty sure this was a 10-piece box, and it is from Phoenix, Arizona. I've never had one from anywhere else, only Arizona. So let's hope this one is as good as some of the other ones I've gotten. And let's open her up. Crossing my fingers. All right, guys. Here's the tissue. Let's do the first shot of what there is. I'm seeing some stuff that could be good. Quite a mixture of different things. All right, let's start with these. Cobby Cuddlers. They are some shoes. Let me open you guys back up, or move you guys back up there so you can see me. There we go. All right, looks like these are suede. They're in pretty good condition. They are a size, I think it's a 7, but I'm not positive. It looks like it's kind of rubbed off. They have a little bit of wear and guck on the inside, but other than that, they seem pretty good condition. I've never had this brand before, so I'm not quite sure on, sorry if I have to cough or take a drink in the middle of all of this, guys, because my throat is just jacked up. All right, let's see if I can tell on the other shoe. 7 wide, so these are 7 wide, y'all. So I'll go ahead and put sold comps on the bottom of the screen if I can find them after I do this while I'm going through it. All right, next is Madden Girl. Is it Madden Girl? I don't like Madden Girl. These are some peep toe boots. They have some wear right here and some wear right there. They're also a 6.5. So I'm not sure if I'm even going to be keeping these ones. Let's see. They're the Fizzle, F-I-I-Z-Z-L-E, P-U upper, P-U. Yeah, they don't feel like real leather. I'm not thinking they're real leather. And they do have a good amount of wear. They're only a 6.5, so those might go in the donate pile. All right, next we have, it looks like Anne Klein Sport. These are pretty cute. They're like this velvety wedge, and then the top pieces have like this interesting texture to them. There's a nice little buckle piece there. The nice back there. It does have a little bit of wear right here where it's kind of rubbed off. So I'm not sure on that, and it feels like it keeps rubbing off. It's like wanting to come off. So I'm not sure about that, but we will see. So those are in the in-between pile. All right, next we have Jessica Simpson. Nothing against her, but her stuff doesn't resell for crap, guys. I still might just list these ones because they look like they're almost new, only slightly worn, and they have a cute style and it's going into spring. So I might be able to get like 15 bucks off of these. And I do tend to sell a lot of shoes, so we'll see. All right, so this isn't too bad. This is the brand Soft. Might be able to get 20 for these, possibly. It looks like they don't really have much of any wear on them other than like a little tiny scuff right there. And they're a little peep toe, patent leather, I believe. Let me look. Yeah, so they are patent leather. They are an 8 wide. They don't look like a wide though. So I'll have to check on that. All right. That one to the side. We'll put that in the keep pile. This looks like more than 10 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This might be more than 10 pairs, guys. All right, next we have, oh, not too bad, Mark Fisher. And these are some great peep toes. That little detail right there with the gold piece is kind of neat. These are some spike heels. Look at that zipper. So they're nude. They are a size 7.5. Looks like they were originally purchased from Ross. Sometimes these stickers can be a pain to get off, guys. So I'm gonna have to be very careful on that. But they're a good brand, good size, okay size, I guess. And I like the style. Just a little bit of wear on the bottom. So these will be a keeper. All right, next we have, ooh, I just sold a brand, or a pair of shoes, this brand. They are Chase and Chloe. So this is a good one. These are some nude ones. They are synthetic, they are not leather. They're a size 10, but they do, Chase and Chloe does have a lot of, from what I've seen, vintage style looking shoes. Sorry, I keep having to stop and cough because I just have to clear the crap out of my throat, guys. Ugh. All right, so these are a definite keep. I mean, they do have a little bit of wear on the bottom, but it's the bottom. Not very many people see it. So those are a good one. All right, next. It's got a YKK zipper. Oh, these are Aldo's. Yeah, Aldo's. Oh, they still have the paper on the inside, guys. But that might just be because somebody kept them like that to try and keep the shape. That is a very interesting heel though. It's like a teardrop. So I will have to look these up and see what these are going for. It's kind of hard to tell the size. Let's see if I can find it on the other one. Nope. It's like super faint, guys. Like you can barely even see it. I think it's a 7. So I may have to try it on myself to see if that helps. But it does feel like they are real leather. Possibly, I'm not sure. They are stretchy. Nope, they're not real leather. They're stretchy. Real leather doesn't stretch, guys. Those are definitely ones I'm gonna keep and try and sell though. All right, next we have, ooh, these are Cole Haan. And they are like a little slip-on moccasin. What size are they? Where's the size? Are they my size? No. They're a 6. Size 6 sucks. For selling, anyway. Yeah, you guys can't see me. I'm like up here. So they look like they barely have any wear on them. I'm thinking these should sell pretty well. Sometimes Cole Haan is a little hit and miss. They do have a tiny bit of wear, like heel drag, but the heel drag is like right here and right here. I don't think that's gonna be a big deal. Other than that, they both seem like they're in great shape. They have cute details. So those are a keeper. Oh, what is this? I think they gave me more than I actually bought, guys. So we have some Adidas. They're called Run Natural. So that's good. These are very, very lightweight. And they are a size 7.5. The weird thing is, this size tag is on the outside of the tongue, guys. What's the deal with that? That is so weird. I've never seen that before. I'll have to look those up. Look at these red boots, guys. By Vagabond. I've never heard of Vagabond. I am definitely gonna have to look these up. You can see the little emboss with Vagabond right there. They are a pointed toe. This very interesting angled kind of heel. Let's see if there's anything that says a size. Vagabond Shoemaker, size 40. So these are around like a 9 to 10. Leather upper, made in Vietnam. They are very cute. The only thing I'm seeing is that there is some color transfer right here. I'm not sure if I can get that out or not. I am gonna have to look up some stuff on that because there's a tiny bit right here too. So I'm not sure if that was from something that it's settled on or rubbed up against, but I will have to see if I can figure that out. If anybody has any suggestions on that, because I've never had to clean off of leather something that dark before, drop a comment down below and let me know. Ooh, it does have some dings on the side there on the heel too. But like I said, we will see. And they do have a YKK zipper, and those are the nicer ones. So those are in the keep pile. Next we have some cute little J. Crew flats. They do have a tiny bit of wear on them, and they are the calf hair kind with the little like polka dots. They have a little bit of wear. There's some heel drag right here. Oh, this other one has even more wear. Look at that. Like, it's all rubbed off right there. Yeah, I can't sell that, guys. They are an 8.5. Oops. Yeah, I mean, look. That's just not, it's not gonna work for me. All right. These are some universal thread. They're my size. I'm not sure if it's something I'd really wear, to be honest. I'm a very casual kind of person. And when it's the second it's warm enough, y'all, I am flip-flop wearing full because I'm from California and that's what I live for. I hate wearing socks. I hate wearing normal shoes. That's just how it is. So I guess we'll see. You never know. They could be comfortable. So I'll put them to the side and see if it's something I can do. All right, next we have, look at those. These are Adidas Superstars. They are a size 6.5. They do need some cleaning up. Luckily on TikTok, if you look on there, there's a lot of people that go on there and show different ways of cleaning up shoes. Well, now you can see all of my head. So I don't know. I will look these up with Google Lens and see if I can find anything. I know this is a very specific kind of style with this piece right here that I've seen. And what I've seen, and you'll have to look on TikTok because I can't remember. There's a specific video where this guy does, uses cream developer from Sally's Beauty Supply, puts it, like brushes it into the soles down here for ones that have yellowed, and then places them out in the sun for hours. And y'all, they are white, white, white. it like works miracles. The videos are just like throw me off. They're super crazy. So I'll have to see if I can get these cleaned up, and as long as they're worth it. Anyway, those are a keeper. Oh, there's my receipt. I did pay 60, was it 60? No, it was 85. No, I guess I did buy a 15 pair box. I forgot. So it was $80, and then it was 85 or something like that with shipping. I need a drink, y'all. All this talking's like messing with my throat. So keeping that receipt for my tax stuff. All right. Last pair. Haven't gotten anything super amazing so far. I mean, stuff that's okay. These look like Uggs, but I'm not sure. So let's pull this out. Lamo. All right, let's look at the tag on the inside, see what it says about them. Lamo. Women, US size 11. Faux fur collar, polyester, rubber outsole. So there's the bottom. You can see a little sheep. I mean, it's cute. They feel super soft. They feel very nice. It's definitely not the right time of year for me to be getting something like this, and that's probably why they're in the box, because they didn't sell. I like the little details. They are very soft and comfy on the inside, and they're fully lined, and they have this zipper up the side. So I'm gonna look these up and see what kind of details I can find on them, because you never know. So that's all the pieces I found for now. Let's see what we can salvage. 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, well, nope, 11. So, I don't know, around $7 a pair, because there's about 4 pairs that I probably won't be selling. 2 for sure that I'm donating, and 2 that I might be selling, but I'm not positive. And 1 that I might keep. Let's see. Let's try on these universal threads, guys. I don't know. They seem kind of slippery, and yeah, they're pushing on my toenail, my big toe. They're not ones I'm gonna wear. So I might put them, I don't know. Anyway, so if you guys like these kind of hauls, go ahead and hit the thumbs up for me. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already, because it's free. And hopefully in one of my next videos, my voice will be back to normal and I won't sound like a crazy person going through puberty. So I will talk to y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.